Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. We are making green smoothies right now. I got this portable one that you can carry with you. Got some parsley, some celery. Everything here is green. Green apple, maybe just a little piece. Avocado. Some lime juice. You got a little bit of acidity, fresh of the green vegetable, parsley, apple, a little fruity, and some honey. We need to balance the sweetness. Come on. And I like to add just a little piece, not the whole cloth, just a tiny little piece. See this? Garlic. And then we're just going to add in some water. Now I'm going to add a couple ice cubes. And I'm going to close it up. And we're just going to blend it until they turn into like a smoothie. That should be good right now. Oh yeah, look at this. Wow, love it. Delicious. Here's your delicious green smoothie. I hope you like it. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.